We will be replacing the brake light, tail light, and turn signal in this 2015 Jeep Wrangler with all new bulbs from Ayla Lighting. The only tool you'll need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver. Here are all 3 applications with the halogen bulbs. This is just one bulb that will need to be changed for all 3 applications. To access it, you'll need to remove this housing. There are 4 Phillips screws holding it in, but you only need to remove the 2 inside screws to gain access. To remove the housing, you need to slide it towards the middle of the car to release the locking tabs, and it should pull straight out. It is these 2 tabs that hold it in. Turn the back of the bulb counterclockwise to unlock it. And pull the bulb out of the connector. If we take a closer look at the 2 bulbs, you will see that your new LED bulb is a plug-and-play fit with the exact same 3157 base as the halogen. Your new bulb will simply plug right into your car's connector. Now you can plug the connector back into the housing. Notice the large tab on the bulb. You'll line this up with the large slot on the housing. And turn it clockwise to lock it in. Replace the housing back into the car by lining up the locking tabs and sliding it back towards the outside of the car. Replace the 2 screws you had removed. And you're done. Here are the super bright red brake lights with strobe, tail lights, and turn signal. You can see how much brighter and safer the LED is compared to the halogen.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.